In this session, we'll discuss about output characteristics of common source configuration. This is a source terminal. The terminal with an arrow is gate terminal, and this is drain terminal. So gate terminal is taken as input terminal, drain terminal is taken as output terminal, and source terminal is taken as common to both input side and output side. That's why it is called as common source configuration. So current flowing in gate terminal is IG, and current flowing in drain terminal is ID. Voltage between gate terminal and source terminal, this is gate terminal and this is source terminal. So voltage between gate and source is VGS. This is the drain terminal and this is the source terminal. So voltage between drain and source is VDS. Since gate is input terminal, so VGS is input voltage and IG is input current. Since drain is output terminal, so VDS is output voltage and ID is output current. So output characteristics are drawn between output current ID versus output voltage VDS. Output characteristics are also called as drain characteristics. The output characteristics of common source configuration are also called as drain characteristics, and it is drawn between output voltage VDS and output current ID. VDS is the voltage between drain and source, and ID is the drain current, output current. So in drain characteristics or output characteristics of common source configuration, VDS is taken on x-axis, it is measured in volts, and current ID is taken on y-axis, it is measured in milliamperes. So output characteristics are drawn between VDS and ID at constant input voltage VGS. So now we'll draw the graph for VGS equal to 0. VGS is the input voltage. So this is the graph for VGS equal to 0. As VDS increases, as we move towards right, VDS increases. As we move up on y-axis, ID increases. So as VDS increases, what happens to ID? ID increases rapidly. This is ID. This is indicated by this blue line. And after it increases, ID increases rapidly till this voltage VP. This VP is called as pinch off voltage. Very important definition, we'll discuss this later. So this VP, so this current ID increases till the pinch off voltage VP. This VP is the value of VDS. Till this VP, ID increases. After this pinch off voltage, even though VDS increases, ID remains constant. ID remains constant. So this particular value of drain current, very very important definition. This particular value of drain current at VGS equal to 0 is called as IDSS. IDSS stands for drain source saturation current. Very very important definition. And the corresponding voltage is VP, pinch off voltage. This definition we'll discuss in the later session. This VP is the pinch off voltage. This VP is the pinch off voltage. Pinch off voltage is the value of VDS, minimum value of VDS, drain to source voltage, at which the drain current ID becomes constant. So this red line is indicating the constant graph of drain current ID for different values of VGS. When VGS is 0, drain current ID is maximum. As VGS is increasing negatively, so drain current is decreasing. So drain current is decreasing as VGS is increasing negatively, because it is always reverse bias. When this voltage is increasing negatively, so what is happening to ID? ID is decreasing. And VP is the pinch off voltage, the minimum value of drain to source voltage at which ID becomes constant, this red line. So what is IDSS? IDSS is the value of ID within the pinch off region for VGS equal to 0. So IDSS is the value of ID within the pinch off region For which voltage? For VGS equal to 0. So these are the drain characteristics or output characteristics of common source configuration, and these are very important characteristics.